My name's Greg Tonkin from MyEnergy Engineering. We're out at Quondong station at the moment. We're installing a off-grid power system for Shearers Quarters. So MyEnergy Engineering, we work all over SA. We specialise in remote properties. We also do work in Victoria and in WA in some areas too. So we're willing to travel pretty well anywhere. This container we're in at the moment supplies power to the homestead and the workshop. There's 80 kilowatt hours of battery storage in here and approximately 45 kilowatts of solar on the roof. We have 30 kVA of Victron inverters, and we've got AC and DC coupled solar running the site too. We pre-build these back in our workshop in Lonsdale. We test it, certify it, and send it out on site, so there's minimal work to do on site. Same with the smaller system over at Shearers Quarters. It is a smaller system, it is built in a pre-made cabinet, fitted out in our workshop, so all we really need to do is drop it on site, run our solar and AC cables into it, and it's good to go. Got a 15 kVA inverter out there, 25 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and 12 kilowatts of solar on the roof. That system will only get used during shearing periods, so roughly every 4 to 5 months they'll use a 2-week period fairly hard. So there needs to be a smaller system up there just to keep the site running in the meantime. Both sites have got full remote monitoring, so we can access them back in Adelaide and make any settings changes. It also sends us alerts if there's any issues with the system, so we can get onto it pretty quick and notify the customer and send someone out if needed. So if you're interested in finding out more information about reducing your diesel costs, just give MyEnergy Engineering a call.